Hey everyone, if you are new, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I have variation number 15. The theme this month is Mother Nature, and it says, packed with light and love. So I do have 5 items this month to share with you. And ooh, the first thing I see on top, and it is heavy, the box is heavy this month, is the Tarte Micellar Water. This is the Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So this looks pretty cool. It is the ultimate lazy girl hack. It's gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Retails $18. We are going to test this out on camera. I have some brow product on that essentially it has one of these caps. So I'm just going to take a cotton round that I have, and it just shoots up into the cotton round. Get some on there, make sure it's completely saturated, and remove my waterproof brow that I have on, and it works. So we're going to just go over all the skin and see if it works really well. See if my skin needs hydration after this. We have another skincare product after this, so see how grimy my skin was. That's disgusting, but obviously it works. So it says use this mess-free, no rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate and apply to skin on the go after a gym session or just whenever you need to freshen up. This has a just very light, clean, fresh scent, so nothing crazy, but excited to have this because I love micellar water. I go through it like crazy. Next thing I see here are the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Pads, the facial pads. So these are worth $59, and it says that they're just powered by the patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. All right, let's check these out. Ooh, these smell really good, and they're packed full. Let's see how saturated they are. They're not overly saturated to where they're dripping, and it has a little bit of texture on these pads, as you can see, and this side is flat. So I'm going to use the textured side for a little light exfoliation action. Let's see how well that Tarte did. Oh, I still have a lot coming. A lot of stuff coming off my skin. These smell amazing. They almost smell like green tea and fresh outdoors, just that type of deal. So here we got a lot more off my skin, as you can see. Wow. These are very, very gentle. No stinging on my face at all. So really impressed. I'm going to definitely be using these every single day. I love Elemis. It never disappoints. Another product I have in here is this Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Primer. Very cool. And this is going to be useful for this box today. So we've got Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. It's blendable, lightweight. It'll absorb excess oil. It will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. This retails for $22. So let's see what it looks like on the back of the hand. It looks like this, and let's blend it out. It blends out to be, like it said, translucent, but it feels really nice and tacky. So that's exciting. I guess I'll put that on the lids right now. Why not? I don't think it has a scent, but it leaves the lids really, really sticky. So that is promising for really good eyeshadow application. The next thing I have is an Appeal Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Stripped. It looks really promising. It looks a really nice shade. It is a luxurious cream lipstick that sides on with ease. It sides on with ease. That's what it says. It sides on with ease. and stays comfortable all day. Lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application, rich in color, and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. And the last thing I have in the box is an eyeshadow palette by Studio Makeup. This is the Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. Comes with a little mirror, and it has all of these shades. You know, it kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded. So this is really, really cool. With 9 shades. I'll be doing an eyeshadow look with this, but I'm first going to go put on the rest of my makeup, and then we'll apply those 2 products, and I will tell you the retail value of the box. Right, so now we're going to be applying the liquid lipstick, the Appeal Ultra Creme liquid lipstick. Like I said, the shade is Stripped. This is a really nice shade, and it does feel ultra creamy. I'm doing the lips before the eyeshadow to sort of gauge what I want to do with the eyes. So we're going to go in with the Studio Makeup eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to be creating a simple look for you guys. I have done my bronzer, blush, highlight, foundation. I will have that all listed in the description box down below. If you do want to shop through my links, it does help my channel. Thank you so much in advance if you do. And let's get straight into this eye tutorial. Completed eyeshadow look with the palette. I forgot to mention that that palette is actually $35 for this. This is almost the price of an Urban Decay full palette. I would not pay that for this, but I did do some swatches. Here's of the liquid lipstick, and here are some swatches from the eyeshadow palette. Really, really, really pretty, but definitely not worth $35 considering, you know, Alter Ego has dupes for Natasha Denona palettes, and theirs are only $15. By the way, I do have a coupon code for 10% off any Alter Ego items, and I don't get a commission or anything like that. It's just for you guys. So also, I did not mention the liquid lipstick, how much that was, and that is $21. I also would not pay. So the overall total value of the box this month for me is $155. That is a lot considering I only paid $25. Let me know what you got in your box this month. I overall love the box. I think I got a lot of really great stuff. I love my micellar water. I'm definitely going to be using those Elemis pads. I'm really happy with this month. I love skincare, and I got a little bit of makeup, so I got the best of both worlds. If you like me and you want to see me again, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell so that I will appear in your feed again. Hit the like button, that helps me more than you guys know, and drop me a comment. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.